Ever felt like you're reading a foreign language when going through your insurance policy? You're not alone. Picture this. Jane wants to file a claim after her car accident, but she's stuck because she doesn't understand terms like deductible or policy exclusions. Sound familiar? Today, we're breaking down the most common insurance terms used so you can make informed decisions about your coverage. Let's demystify insurance jargon, step by step. Let's start with the basics. These are terms you'll encounter in almost every insurance policy. Premium. The premium is what you pay to keep your insurance active. Think of it like a subscription service. Netflix for your peace of mind. The amount depends on factors like the type of cover and your risk level. Deductible. A deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurer steps in. For example, if your car repair costs 50,000 Kenyan shillings and your deductible is 10,000, you pay the first 10,000 and your insurer covers the rest. Policy coverage. This refers to what your insurance protects you against. In Kenya, this could include motor insurance for accidents, medical insurance for hospital bills, or even WIBA cover for workplace injuries. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into understanding your policy. Key clauses. These are specific conditions that define how your policy works. For example, a cancellation clause tells you how much notice you need to give if you want to cancel your policy. Exclusions and limitations. Exclusions are what isn't covered by your policy. For instance, many medical insurance policies in Kenya don't cover pre-existing conditions or elective treatments like cosmetic surgery. Always read this section carefully. Renewals and cancellations. Policies often need to be renewed annually. Missing renewal deadlines could leave you uninsured when you need it most. If you're cancelling, check if there are penalties or refund options. Now that you understand the terms and clauses, how do you choose the right coverage? Here are some tips. Choosing the right policy. Start by assessing your needs. Are you looking for motor insurance, medical cover, or maybe life insurance? Compare policies from reputable insurers and ensure they fit both your needs and budget. Understanding claim processes. Filing a claim doesn't have to be stressful. Here's a quick rundown. Notify your insurer immediately after an incident. Gather all required documents, like medical reports or police statements. Fill out the claim form accurately and submit it on time. Seeking professional advice. If it all feels overwhelming, don't worry. Reach out to an experienced broker or agent like us at Step by Step Insurance for personalized guidance. Understanding insurance jargon doesn't have to be complicated. By knowing these terms and processes, you're empowered to take control of your coverage and make smarter decisions. Ready to learn more or get started with personalized insurance solutions? Visit the Step by Step Insurance website today or call one of our agents to assist you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more expert tips, and share it with someone who might need it.